Next lock that I will attempt to open is this Blossom top security lock that I found on my round trip to Serbia. It was lying in the dirt and I had to clean it a little bit. I have no key for it, but interesting thing is it's a dimple lock and the core is removable. So although it says top security, I highly doubt that this is a Chinese crap. The finishing is very nice, so there are no sharp edges, everything is good. And I have to tell you, the lock itself is also quite challenging. I have been trying for a while now to pick it on camera. I managed to pick it only twice off camera. First time it took me too much time, and second one was better, just a few minutes. But in any case, I have to tell you guys, this lock is not an easy pick. So let's see if I will manage to pick it this time. So clamped it up and let's see what will happen today. The lock doesn't like light tension nor too heavy tension, and it alternates between medium and heavy tension. So let's see if I will be able to open it with this alternating tension. There are no security pins inside, at least none that I feel. All seem to be standard, but that doesn't make all my life easier. Picking this lock, it's just making fun of me. Come on now. Oops. Okay, that was my tension wrench that turned, not the core, guys, so don't get excited. And this happens with this keyway, although it looks a lot like the ABUS keyway. My southward pick doesn't fit, so I managed to open it with this pick you see at the moment from the Feather design set. And also the pick is a little bit, I've modified slightly. Okay. Wow. Hey, finally I managed to pick it on camera. Great. Now I must not let it close, otherwise I'll have to repick it again, guys. And I wouldn't like to do that. I would like to gut it and see what's inside. Whoever lost this lock, I thank you, sir. You provided me with hours and hours of fun. So let's see what's the hidden treasure inside this lock. Okay, so I guess that's the core. Okay, maybe that's one of the reasons why I couldn't manage to open it that fast, because it's a 6-pin lock, it's not a 5-pinner. Okay, So that's my first error then. I was only trying to pick 5 pins, although usually I know these are not 5 pinners. Okay. So I did spray some lube, some magic stuff inside, but let's see if actually we can remove the cord, because it doesn't seem to be actually removable. Or? No? Well, guys, sorry, but I have to tell you that I can't. I guess there's a bar somewhere that holds it. Maybe one of these pins is a bar that holds it in place, but I don't see any way of getting it. There's no clip, there is no anything. No bent stuff. No. Guess not. Or, well, maybe if I push a little bit. Although then I don't know how I'll assemble it if I take it apart, but no. There's probably something is holding it, and then I'm pretty sure that something is holding it. Well guys, that's the Blossom Chinese top security lock. I have to tell you, this was for me a very challenging pick. Finally, I'm glad that I did it on camera. So, well, I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep it legal. Cheers.